Hello students, today we'll study about 0-1 knapsack problem. You already know that what is 0-1 knapsack problem and how to get solution for this problem using greedy method and using branch and bound. Now we'll see how to get solution for this problem using LC, that is least cost branch and bound design strategy. You already know that branch and bound design strategy and how to get solution for this problem using branch and bound design strategy. Now we'll study about least cost branch and bound design strategy and how to get solution for this 0-1 knapsack problem. As you already know that knapsack problem is what you have to place the items in such a way that weight of the items must be equal or lesser than the knapsack capacity, but profit of the items must be maximum here. So whereas in branch and bound you are getting the solution by setting the upper bound, that is what you call as a maximization. So now there you are getting the solution using the maximization criteria. Now in the least count branch and bound you are using the minimization problem here. Okay, now instead of going for the maximization you are using the minimization, least count. Okay, that is what it is, least cost here. Okay, sorry, no, it is not least count, it is a least cost here. Cost you are taking as a minimization. So how we'll get that one? For getting that, these are the two equations you are using here. I think you already know these equations. Where you use these equations? Yes, you already use these two equations in greedy method to get the solution for this problem. Here also you are using the same equation. Only extra thing is what you are using the minimize. Minimize means what? Minus. You are adding minus. If you are add the minus means what? You will get the least cost here. So now here using the summation of P of I into Xi. Xi means what? Item. Which item will include? No, that item you will indicate as a 1. Okay, and that item we are taking as a 1 into profit of that item. So 1 into profit means what? Now we are considering that item. If you are not include that item, then you represent that one as a 0. 0 into profit means what? 0 only. Means you are not including that item. That's why it is profit is also 0. In this way you calculate the which are the items you are included. After including that, what are the profit you will get? No, that profit must be maximum. So here if you are adder, then you will get the maximum solution. For that if I add the minus symbol, then automatically it becomes what? Minimize here. Let's see how it works. I'll take one example. This is the one of the problem. Here you are having the 4 knapsack instances, that is 4 items with the profit 10, 10, 12, 18 and weights 2, 4, 6, 9 and capacity of the knapsack is 15 here. Now we have to find the solution using LC, least cost branch and bound search. For that you are using the two terms, that is upper number and lower number. So these are the two things you are using to get the solution for this, that is C is upper number and lower number, and you have to find these two numbers and based on these two numbers you calculate the solution here. This is your given problem. So now how we'll get this upper number and lower number? Let's see. So for the node 1, once again you are using the state space tree only because it is the part of the branch and bound, but you are using as a LC here, least cost here. So first node, now at present I am not included any item. Before that I have to calculate the lower number and the upper number. For calculating that I am considering all the items and according to the criteria I will consider here. C1. So means what it is? Upper number for node 1. And U1 means what it is? Lower number for node 1. So now first item I am included. What is the profit of that first item? It is 10 here. And weight is 2 here. Second item profit is 4 and weight is 10 and weight is 4 here. Third item 12 and weight is 6. So if I add up 6 plus 4 plus 2, it is what? 12 here. Then is it possible to place the fourth item here? No. If I place this item, so what is the weight of this item now? Fourth item weight is 9. 9 plus 12 means 21. It exceeds the knapsack capacity. That's why placing this item is not possible now here. In that situation, instead of placing the whole item, we'll take the fraction of the item, part of the item. How will take that one? So that is 18. 18 is what? Profit divided by weight. Weight of the fourth item is 9 here. So into 3. 3 means what it is? I can place only the 3 weight item with the part of 3 as a weight here. That's why only that portion, what is the profit I'll get, no, that one I have to calculate here. This is the procedure I am using to calculate that profit here. So then after that you'll get the solution as what? 38 here. So now it is what? Minimization, least cost. That's why you add the minus symbol. As a negative number you have to consider this 38 here. So see, this is your upper number as a minus 38. In the same way, now you have to calculate the lower number u here for the node 1 here. First item 10, weight is 2, second item 10 and third item 12. So now fourth item, placing the fourth item is not possible. Here while finding the lower number, you are not considering the fraction. Means either you place the whole item, otherwise you don't place. Okay, like that criteria you follow for the lower number. Okay, you are not considering the fractions for the lower number. That is the difference between your upper number and the lower number. So then only 3 items you can place. Okay, that is 32 here. That is what your lower number is minus 32 and upper number is minus 38 here. Now we'll start including the item. This is the just possibilities you are checking. So in the branch and bound, root node is what? You have to check the maximum possibilities. What are the possibilities are there? After that I'll start including the items. Okay. First item with 1 here. So with 1 you have to calculate the what? That upper number and the lower number, C and U. See here in the first node also, while calculating C and U, you have considered the first item, second item and third item. That's why here if I include that item with 1 means what? It remains as it is. It doesn't make any difference to your C and U value. Let's see without 1 here. So without 1 means what now? Without 1 means what? You are not considering the first item here. You are considering the remaining item. Second item is what it is? Profit is 4. So that's why it is what it is. Sorry, 10. Next, that is second item is 10. Profit and third item profit is also 12. And 6 plus 4 is the weight of those items. So 6 plus 4 means what it is? 10 here. So then how much fraction I can consider for the last item? 10. Remaining is what? 15 minus 10, it is 5. So the fraction is now you have to consider as a 5. Okay, 18 divided by 9 into 5, that is 2 into 5, that is 10. 10 plus 22, that is 32. See, it is minus 32. Same thing for the lower number, 10 and 12. Second item and third item. This is your second item and third item. It is not possible to place this item. That's why I am considering only these two numbers. Fraction also you have not considered here. So that's why it is what? Minus 22 here. This is for without 1 here. Next I'll check for the next part, that is what? With 2 here. Same thing. So while finding the C1 and U1 for the first node itself, we are included first item and also second item. That's why here it is C and U value remains same. Next I'll go for the without 2. Without 2 means what it is? I don't consider the second item. Okay. Remaining items you have to consider. First item is what? 10. And third item is what? 12. Okay, profit I am taking here. First item profit is 10 and third item profit is 12. So 6 plus 2 it is what? 8. So what is the fraction part I can include for the fourth item? It is 7 here. Okay, 8. 15 minus 8 it is what? It is 7 here. So 7 into 2 means what? 14. So that is minus 36. So same thing here, 10 and 12. So 10 plus 12 it is minus 22. This is for without 2 here. Next I'll go for the with 3 here. So here with 3 means what? It remains as it is. Okay, in the first node only you are considered with 1, with 2, with 3. That's why it remains as it is. Next we'll check for without 3 here. Without 3 means what? This part you are not considering. First item profit 10. Okay, second item profit is 10. Now third item is 2 plus 4. Weight of the first item is 2 and weight of the second item is 4. Third item don't consider. Then 4 plus 2 it is what? 6. Is it possible to place the whole number? 9. Yes, 9 plus 6 is what? 15. It is equal. 15 is equal means what? It is equal to your capacity. Yes, you can place the whole item here. That's why not necessary to go for the fraction. Then you'll get as a minus 38, and for you also it is remains as a minus 38 here. Okay. So next, with 4. I'm not going for this further procedure here, because thing is what it is with 3. Next, if I include the fourth item, then what happens here? Now profit weight becomes what now? With 3, and next one is what? With 4 if I take, then what happens here? It is weight. You have to consider the weight of the fourth item also with 4 if you take. Then weight becomes what now? 21. It exceeds the your knapsack capacity. That's why you will not consider this part, because it is not visible here. Okay. So discard this part and move to the next part. Even here also, every time I am considering only what it is list number here. Okay. Among 32 and 22, which one is having the list number? That part I will continue, and this one I will discard. Here also 32 and 22 list number it is. Actually here only it is 32 is what it is. It is the okay, here that part is not possible because of the capacity exceeds here. Next I will go for what? With 4 here. With 4, let's see. So now first item it is there, second item. This is the continuation of which part? Without 3 here. Then you don't consider this 3, you have to consider only fourth item. If I include, then I'll get the solution as what it is, 38 here. For you also it is same, and for C also it is same. Next, without 4 here. Without 4 means what? Without 3. You don't include 3 also. Now you don't consider 4 also. Then remaining elements are what now? Only 2 items. That is the 10 plus 10. Profit of the first item and second item, that is minus 20. And this is also minus 20 here. So now if you compare this two, which one is minimum now? 28 and 20. Negative symbol is there. Minus it is there. That's why this minus 38 is the minimum now here. Okay. So that's why I have to consider this part. I have to kill this part here. Next, further continuation. Is it possible to continue further? Because this is the last item. That's why you stop here. And this is your solution here. So this solution how you will consider? Let's see. With 1 means what? You have to consider as a 1 here. First item you are included. The next value is what now? It is 1 here. With the 2 means what? You have to take as a 1 here. You are included the second item also. Without 3 means what? 0. Without means it is 0. Next, with 4 means 1 here. This is your solution part. If you trace, you will get the solution part like this. Okay, that is first item 1. That is 10 into x value is what now? It is 1 here. 10 into 1 means what? 10 plus 10 into 1 means what? 10, 20. 0 means what? 0 into 20, 12 means 0 only, and 18. So this one will be equal to what now? It is equal to 38. This is your maximum profit. Even if you want to check the weight also, see here 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 9, 13. As it is equal, then that criteria is also satisfied. In this way, with the help of the least cost, you are getting the maximum profit here. Okay, is it clear now how it works? Okay. Next, how to find the U. U is what now? Here. U is what? Lower number. How to calculate this lower number? For that procedure is what? You are taking CP. CP means what it is? Current profit. At present I am not included any item. That's why current profit is 0. And CW is current weight. So now at present I am not included any of the item. That's why it is 0. K index value. At present it is 0. So 0 plus 1 it is what? Now I becomes 1 now. 1 to n you have to calculate. If C is what it is? 0 plus first weight, okay, item weight here. First item weight is 2 here. It is less than or equal to what is your capacity? It is 15. If condition is true, then you add up. Okay, 0 plus Wi means what it becomes? It is 2 now. Next is 0 and profit of the first item. It is what it is? 10. So minus 10 it is there. Okay. So like this, same procedure you have done here. For calculating the upper bound, no, this is the procedure you have done. 2 plus 4. Okay. Next we'll check the whether it is possible to place that item by condition is what it is, that 6 is less than 15, less than or equal to 15. Yes, if it is true, then you include this first item, and second item profit here. Next is the third item. So now third item also if you add up, then you will get as what, 12. 12 is also less than or equal to 15, condition is true, then you include that item also. When I'll come to the fourth item, okay, so I becomes 4, no, then it is 9. 9 plus this 12 is what, 21. 21 means what, m is less than or equal to 15, condition fails, then you are not considering that one. Then you'll stop and you'll check this one as a profit here. If you add up, you will get the thing. Same procedure it is explained here. Okay. What are the concept I explained now? Same thing is okay written here. Is it clear now? Okay. Thank you.